Hi everyone, you'll have to excuse my appearance. I just came from the grocery store and the skies opened up and I got rained on and now I feel like and look like a drowned rat. But the reason I was at the grocery store is I wanted to make a video for you on spices and how to purchase spices at a much cheaper price. It's like this best kept secret at the grocery store. And as I'm making my video, I'm realizing that the loudspeaker is constantly inundating us with coupons and ads and ideas and information, and the chatter just never stops. I don't know if anyone else has ever noticed that at the grocery store, but next time you're there, there's just constant noise coming at you. So information coming at you. But so I just took some pictures, have some video for you. I'm going to talk over it and again introduce you to the best kept secret for buying spices at the grocery store. The best kept secret is right down the international food aisle. Here you will find a whole section of spices that will cost you way less than you would find in the typical baking aisle. For example, basil is a little over $5 for about an ounce. Head over to the international aisle and you get 4 ounces for just over $3. Cumin is $10 for 4.5 ounces versus $4 for 7 ounces. That's insane. Paprika works out to be about $1 an ounce, or you can pay just 50 cents per ounce from the international aisle. Now that's a secret worth sharing.